Hey everyone, this is Mr. JL here, and today we are going to talk about something super important in math: division strategies and algorithms. If you've ever wondered if there's more than one way to solve a division problem, that's the video for you. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple strategies for division. Follow along step by step and then pick the one that works best for you. Strategy 1. This one is the most famous here in Brazil. So you are going to organize the numbers this way. Here you are going to place the dividend, which is the number that you are going to divide. Here you are going to place the divisor, which is the number that is going to divide the dividend. And right here you have this symbol, which looks like an L. To use this strategy, you are going to follow 4 little steps. First, you are going to do a division, and then a multiplication, and then a subtraction, and then you are going to bring a digit down. So let's start. Check the first digit. Is this number greater than or equal to the divisor? The answer is yes. It's greater than the divisor. 7 is greater than 2, so you can divide 7 by 2. So let's do the division. So 7 divided by 2 is 3. Now, let's do the multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. And now, we do the subtraction. 7 minus 6 equals 1. And now, you bring the next digit down, which is 4. Now you do all over again. Division, multiplication, subtraction, and bring a digit down. So now you have 14. 14 divided by 2, it's 7. Now you multiply. 7 times 2, it's 14. Subtract. 14 minus 14, it's 0. Now you bring the next digit down, which is 2. Again, division. 2 divided by 2, it's 1. Multiplication. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. And finally, you don't have numbers to put down, to bring down. So that's the end of our division. 742 divided by 2 is 371. Let's use now strategy 2. It's basically the same, but you are organizing the elements of this division in different positions. Here you have the dividend. Here you have the divisor. You are going to write the quotient right here, which is the result of our division. And here you are going to place the remainder. So let's start. 7 divided by 2, it's 3. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's subtract. 7 minus 6, it's 1. Let's bring the next digit down. 4. Now we have 14. Let's do all over again. Division. 14 divided by 2, 7. Let's multiply. 2 times 7, 14. Let's subtract. 14 minus 14, 0. Let's bring the next digit down, which is 2. Let's start all over again. Division, multiplication, subtraction, bring the next digit down. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Let's multiply. 1 times 2, it's 2. Let's subtract. 2 minus 2, it's 0. And then we don't have digits to put down anymore. So the answer of that division is 371, just like we found out in strategy 1. Okay? Now let's move on to strategy 3, which is simple. I don't recommend you to use that very often because sometimes you may struggle to divide those numbers because it may be tiring. So let's organize the digits this way on this strategy. 7, 4, 2. 742. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are dividing by 2, so let's make groups of 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 right here. 1 remains. This one you add right here, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's make groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right here. 2, 1, 2. Groups of 2, 1, 1. The answer, 371, just like strategy 1 and strategy 2. Now you know 3 different strategies for division. Try them out and choose the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching.